So we go to the PowerPoint. On the PowerPoint slide, okay, the new features in the PowerPoint is we have a designer, AI designer. Okay, let's say we put HR, you put teamwork. Let's say we just give a word. So we click designer, the AI will generate the design for you. So you can choose the design that you want to use in the slide. Okay, like this one, or let's say you want to use the other. Okay, so if you want to see more design, this is just a AI translation. So the AI just give the idea. If you don't want to use this one, also can, because if you have a customize, you want to customize your background, also can. But just this is the additional features that in the M365. Okay, also in here also have a dictate here, and then designer you can share, and then some other features is, let me check. Okay, let's say this slide. So in this M365, we also have a function a rehearse with the coach. That means you have a rehearsal with the I think, and then this is some features that student can do to training for their presentation. Okay, let's say I just click this one. Then to start rehearsing. Okay, and then I just put, okay, this is a share review for the teamwork. Today we'll present for the review for the quarter year. Then let's say I just go for the next. And then they have. Then I position. So the AI will do the calculation on the back end. Then it will give a summary. Okay. Total time I spent 90 seconds for the 4 slide reshare. Then it will put some notes. Okay, so the students still can follow the this one, and we'll set the pace here. Is it too fast or okay? Okay, but this one is, yeah, can the training with AI, so the student can check other the are ready to present or not. Okay, rehearse with the coach. Okay, this is some features in the M365. Okay, and then you also can have a try. Okay, don't have these features on this. Let me open on the application apps, because some features is not supported by web browser. Okay, this is like the using my apps. So I have a, we can also record the slide. Okay, so once we record the slide, let's say we have a title here, so we record our presentation slide. So from that we can use the animation each one of the slide. Okay, you can edit inside this Microsoft PowerPoint to make your presentations more fancy or more interactive. So you can just inside this one. Okay, and has a function more inside this one. Fit here. Okay, so the you will can get directly inside this Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can set the duration, the sound effect. on the mouse click or not. So on this side, uh, I suggest to all of you to try to explore because it's not that hard because once you have a few you have already have a current presentation slide, so you just can try do this one, record the slideshow, rehearse timing. Okay, but this is function more on the usable more to the student actually, because yeah, we know during the online class, so the student need to present some their work to the lecturer, so they can use this side. Okay, you can use this function. So, but on the web based is not support to record the video. It's only on the application you install. So, if you ask me which one is better, uh, what I can say to get the full features of Microsoft 365, the best way is you install to your PC and make use of it. Alright. The recording. Let me check from my side. Screen recording. Okay. This is how you want to record using the PowerPoint. That means you want to record the your session. Okay, screen recording. You can click here. Then oh, need to put some test. So let's say you want to record the. So if you want to record your using the PowerPoint, this is the way you want to training. That mean you can after you finish your slide. Okay, after you finish your slide, you can just focus on this side, so you can prepare for the recording session, and then you present, and then later you can upload to the team, so the student can access to your recording on the PowerPoint. Okay.